Good morning everybody. We're up nice and early today because we've been invited to Zipworld to try out some of their activities here, and so we're going to start off today by riding Velocity 2 and then quarry karts later this afternoon before doing some of the other activities at some of their other sites tomorrow.
Yeah, it's the fastest zipline in the world.
It is.
And it goes from 0 to 60 in 10 seconds.
Yeah, so we're very excited. I've not done it before, but Hannah has. So yeah, very excited. So that's the baby one that we have to do first up to make sure we're not going to
practice run.
Yeah, get too scared. So yeah, I think we're going to walk up to the viewpoint now, have a little look, and in a little while we'll get ready to go and do ours.
Yeah, and the sun's coming out as well.
Yeah.
It was it's forecast to like be rainy showers or something.
Yeah, but it looks like it's not going to be showers. I mean, it's only like a little percentage of showers, so hopefully it stays dry all day. So we've got harnesses on and we're off to do the baby one first.
Baby one? Yeah, practice run.
Yep. So
suited and booted.
Try not to wet ourselves. So we're just waiting to be called in for Argo, and got to go in fours. And yeah, this is the baby one, so this is getting us ready for the big one. As soon as we get down from the bottom here, we get on the Jeep things, the trucks, and get driven up to the top of the quarry, which is all the way up there somewhere. Can't really see it because of the light, but yeah, much
takes
higher.
20 minutes to go on the truck up there, so we get to enjoy a bit of a ride on the truck.
So we've just done the baby one. We got on super quick because they needed an extra two, so we were like straight on.
We weren't ready, and they were like, just go, go, go.
Yeah, so that's the first one done. We're going to get on the cars now and get ready for the second one, the big one.
Yeah, how did you find it?
That was really good. I felt like the brake at the end like slammed me really hard, but that was like really cool. It was like,
and guess who came first?
Yeah, Hannah won. I was convinced they put me on a slower line.
Yeah.
So just made our way to the top, and we'll see you at the bottom.
Yeah, really amazing views from up here. You can see the Isle of Anglesey and Ogwyn Valley.
Yeah, so we're just going to wait at the viewing area and then we'll be down at the bottom, so probably put the camera away now and then let the helmet cameras do the work. Also, we're doing the karts after this, so you can see the kart tracks going down there, so we've got to come up another 2 times to do 2 runs of the karts.
And go for a tunnel.
So it looks amazing.
So we're next in line to go on the big zip line now, and yeah, not long. Really excited.
This is what we look like with the head cameras on.
Looking good.
So we just got off. That was amazing, so fast.
Yeah, I had something like hit, I think it was this, just got like hit me, but I was just laughing the whole way down. I was like, ah!
It's going to be interesting watching the footage from the head cams because it's so fast, it all feels like a bit of a blur.
Yeah.
And I was going
So
really
crazy.
fast. The guy told me how to go a little bit faster by like squeezing in, but as soon as I turned my head to the side, the camera like gets so much drag that I felt myself slow down, and 2 on the side got past.
I was the last one though. I was really slow. This is one of the most fun.
So I was saying at the top how with the camera on your head, I felt like a bit of a rhino. because it's quite heavy.
Yeah,
and
feel like neck's got to support it up.
Yeah, so you feel like you've got a massive rhino horn in your head, but can't wait to see the footage because I bet it's going to be epic.
Yeah, it's going to be great to watch it back.
Yeah, we're going to go down now, get out of these harnesses and get ready for the mountain carts. Which, we think they're fairly new, but we can't wait to do that because it looks so cool.
And you could see them when we were going up. It's bits of it that you can see when you come down.
Yeah, and we're so lucky with the weather today. So we just quickly ran back to the van to check on the cats and have a quick sandwich. And now we're walking down to the quarry carts and we're going to go get checked in for that, get ready. And then, yeah, we've got 2 runs on the quarry carts, so I'm really excited about this because this looks really good fun. And see how fast we can get down without crashing and killing ourselves.
Hopefully we don't crash. This is what I'm a little bit nervous about, but that's only because I've not done this before, and I've seen them in the Alps, so do something similar, and it does look good fun, but it looks like you could, if you really wanted to go for it and you got speed, you could topple over. And the track from going up to the top of Velocity looked really cool, so yeah, gonna be good fun. Oh, same corner. About to get on the go-karts, going up the hill.
Okay, I know where they're going, but what is that run? Do you know what you should do? Just get into a car and put her off without them. Okay. Yeah, like, you want to go, don't you? Yeah, but you can put helmet back on. I am, yeah. You got that recording? See, that's the opposite. So you need
Starting line. Storm. Vroom, vroom.
So just finished our second run of the carts. That was epic. That was so much fun.
Awesome.
If you lean into the carts going around corners, you don't even have to use the brakes. I was getting so much speed going down.
Well, Jonny started behind me so that he would have to overtake me. And then we literally went through the tunnel together, overtook someone. And then Jonny just went off and I couldn't keep up. I don't know what your trick was, but just not using the brakes, I think.
Yeah, and then massive power slide at the end. But that was great
so
fun.
much better the second time.
Yeah, the first time was good, but I did get stuck behind someone on the first one. But we'll chuck the footage in at some point so you can see it. But that was epic.
Yeah, 100% recommend it. And your hands as well at the end, just like pumped through from adrenaline, just going down all these corners.
I said to Hannah, I was like, she can get me one of those for Christmas because they're pretty cool. Just take them down any mountain.
Yeah, we'll get one on the van. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So we're gonna head back to the van now and go find something to do, find somewhere to park up, have some dinner, and then we're going to head to Zipworld Forest tomorrow because we've got some more activities to do. Good morning everybody. We've just woken up on one of our favourite views in Snowdonia. We quite often park here when we're up in Snowdonia because it's just such a perfect quiet spot at night time, and obviously you've got all these like surrounding mountain views behind us. So the van's just over there, you can see it just there with a few other campers, and yeah, look at these views to wake up into. Such a quiet, calm, peaceful morning as well, and the sun is just rising over the mountains now. So we're just getting ready, and then we're going to head to Zipworld Forest, where we're going to try out the forest coaster today. So we've both done some kind of like coasters before. It's where you get on like a little toboggan and you go down. So we've both done different ones in like South Africa and Europe before. This is the first time we're going to do one in the UK, so we're really excited for that. So we just made made it to Zipworld Forest. This is where they have the coaster, they have the treetop adventure, and they also have a really cool like 100-foot drop where the floor basically like goes and you drop down.
Cool for some people.
I've tried to convince Hannah to do it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to convince her to do that one today.
No. And there's also a Halloween event, isn't there?
Yeah, so Fear Forest is happening from 27th to the 31st of October, so we're going to actually try come back to do that, hopefully. But yeah, if you're in the area, check it out, because it looks so cool. You can go on some of the rides and stuff, and you can do the I think it's like the nets in the forest and stuff, and obviously it's going to be like a Fear Forest, so it's going to be a nice Halloween event.
And it's beautiful morning, like the sun is just like, look at that.
Going through the trees, yeah. It's amazing.
So pretty.
So correction, it's actually from the 22nd to the 31st of October, so if you're in the area, don't forget to come and check out Fear Forest, because hopefully we're going to be here and it looks pretty cool. So this is the tower I really want to get Hannah on, so you basically plummet from here all the way down. It looks pretty intense. So we're just off on ride number 1, getting pulled up. Hannah's just behind me back there. And yeah, she's going to try and keep up with me, so I don't think I'm going to, well, they said you should use the brakes, but because we're on a track, I don't think you really have to, so as long as you're brave enough, I guess, we'll find out. So I'm going to try and go as fast as possible, but there's an older lady in front of me, so hopefully I don't catch her up too quick. But this is amazing, it's so beautiful coming up here, the trees. I'm just going to show you what it looks like now. Ow!
My brakes don't work.
You got to pull them back.
I did pull them back.
Okay, ready? Here we go.
Yeah, my brakes are there.
See you at the bottom. Woo! How fast can we get? Whoa! It says to brake here, but I'm not going to brake. I'm going to go for it. Whoa! So how's that?
It was so much fun. My hair was like...
Did you use the brakes?
I did a little bit, yeah, because it did say to use the brakes, so
yeah.
I was very well behaved, but it was really good fun.
Yeah. I didn't use the brakes at all,
Naughty.
but it definitely on some of the corners it automatically brakes you a little bit, which is probably good because it's going pretty fast. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So on this run we're going to do our best to catch Hannah. If you don't use the brakes, and Hannah wasn't using the brakes in front of me last time, it's almost impossible to catch them because you just go at the same speed. So we're not going to leave as big a gap this time, and we're going to see if we can keep up with each other. No brakes again. Yeah, it definitely slows you down on the corners. Got to catch Hannah though.
So we decided
round 2
to go together. Yeah, we're really excited to go back on again. And
we're back, baby.
So who's going to be driving?
I'm going to be driving. Well, braking and not braking.
So yeah, it's going to be a different experience, but I'm sure it'll be just as exciting.
Here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Oh my goodness! My filming's probably rubbish. Don't headbutt you.
Yeah, like with your head going back.
Oh, fly just went in my mouth. Okay, so this is our final round. You know what they say? Final round, best round.
Is that what they say?
I don't know. I feel like that's from one of my like fitness YouTube videos. That's what they say. You know. But yeah, we're going to enjoy this one. And my eyes were watering on the last one. We were going so fast and getting so much air that...
We definitely went faster together.
Yeah, we did. It was good fun. So hopefully we don't come off the tracks this time as well. But the guy just said that we can go all day apparently if we slip from a tenner.
So... Don't say that.
No, he was only joking.
Or was he?
But we would love to stay on it all day. That would be like my dream. So I think for the Halloween, what's it called?
Fear Forest.
Fear Forest. I think you can go on these at night time because there's lights on the front.
But they light the whole track up as well, I think. There's lights all over the track.
Yeah, so I think that would be really cool. Bit spooky, but quite exciting, I'm sure. So Yeah, hopefully we get to come for Fear Forest, but we are enjoying it in the sunshine today as well. It's great fun. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
So guys, that's the end of our Zipworld adventure. We've had an amazing time here. It's been so much fun. We've done the fastest zip line in the world. We've done the mountain quarry karts, and then today we've been doing the forest coaster here today. And it's just been so much fun.
Yeah, it's been a great time. Been adrenaline filled and it's made us smile from ear to ear. So,
yeah. So if you're visiting North Wales, don't forget to come and check out Zipworld. They've got several different sites and loads of different activities to do, and it's just such a fun way to spend your day.
Yeah, we want to come back and we want to go and do the what's it called?
It's like the treetop adventure.
Treetop, yeah, that looks really, really fun as well.
Yeah, and fingers crossed we'll be back for the Fear Forest in October, because that looks amazing as well. You get to do like the forest coasters in the dark with lights and everything. It just looks like an amazing time. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this vlog, and we can't wait to catch you in the next one.
Bye.